Our inlined test is failing. Now, if we go press F12 here, let's look at this. So we have the original byte is 0, the new byte is undefined. What the hell is up with that? And the byte length of both of these things is the same. Anyway, so we made a little inline test, and let's get into it. So you can get the source code right here. You're on video 376. Ooh, sorry. Source code here. I mean, I guess you could email it too, and I'd give you the source code. But anyways, so this debug flag we've added for inline tests of the UPNG library inside of the Filemob function section, inside of the Filemob PNG wrappers, within the pixel array to binary array function, within the UPNG encode section within this scope here. We have decided to make a optional piece of code where once we encode this trash me binary array, we can immediately decode it to see if we get back the original input pixel array right here. And so we have that section right here, inline UPNG debug. So if this is a truthy value and the debug flag is set, then we're going to declare these variables here. Then we're going to do the decoding process as I have done in hotel13.js, so I know it's the proper procedure, even though it is a little bit wonky. This assert is passing, and then we are going to loop through every single byte in our arrays. So the original byte from the original input and what we got when we decoded the PNG file that we created. And if the bytes do not match, then we log out all this stuff. And this is where we are crashing with this error inline PNG test failed. So I don't know what's going wrong. Here's what we did previously. And here's our footnotes. And here's what we did in this video. So we'll try to figure it out in the next video. I think I corrupted the PNG library. So get the source code here. You've been on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Like, subscribe.